Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. Today we are going to learn how to use copy and move tools in AutoCAD. So let's get started. To understand the working of these tools, we need to have some sketches drawn on our screen. So let me create a circle and a line segment. This is the circle and this is the line segment. Now say I want to place this circle at the start point of this line segment. I can use the Move tool for that. And that Move tool is available in the Modify panel of the Home tab. Here it is. So click on it. Right after you click the Move tool, the command line says select objects you want to move. I want to move this circle, so I will click on it and then I will press Enter. Next thing, I have to specify the base point. And the base point is the point using which you want to move this circle. So I will click on the center of the circle and use it as the base point. So click on the center of the circle. Now you can see the circle gets attached to the cursor. Next thing, I have to specify the point where I want to place this circle. As I said earlier, I want to place this circle at the start point of this line segment, so I will click on the start point of this line. You can see the circle has moved from its original location to this new location. So this is how the Move tool works. The next tool we'll discuss today is the Copy tool. So let me undo what we did previously. Now this time, I want to place this circle at the start point and the end point of this line segment without actually moving this original circle, which means I want to create copies of this circle and place them at the required points. So this time, I will choose the Copy tool. Copy tool is available right below the Move tool, so click on it. Again, we have to select the object we want to copy, so I'll select the circle and press Enter. Next, I have to specify the base point, so click on the center of the circle. Next, I want to place it at the start point, so I'll click on the start point of the line segment. I want to place it at the end point, so I'll again click at the end point of the line segment. I can keep on clicking at the required points to place a copy of this circle. Press the Enter or Escape keys to exit this tool. So this is the use of Copy and Move tools in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.